Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Weaviate Cloud to AWS for vector search pipelines. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS IAM service. Create a new user for Weaviate Cloud. Assign programmatic access for this user. Attach the necessary policies for access to the resources Weaviate will use. Save your access key ID and secret access key securely. Next, log into your Weaviate Cloud console. Select the project you wish to connect to AWS. Locate the API section within your project settings. Copy your Weaviate Cloud API key. Return to the AWS Management Console. Go to the VPC service to create a virtual private cloud. Set up a new VPC with a CIDR block that meets your needs. Create subnets within your VPC for different availability zones. Set up a NAT gateway if you require outbound internet access for your VPC. Next, configure your security groups to allow traffic. Open the required ports for both incoming and outgoing traffic. Make note of your VPC ID and subnet IDs for later. Now, switch back to your Weaviate Cloud console. Navigate to the Connect tab. Select AWS as your cloud provider. Fill in the necessary fields using the VPC and subnet information you noted earlier. Enter your access key ID and secret access key from the IAM user. Paste in your Weaviate Cloud API key. Review your connection settings for accuracy. Click the Connect button to initialize the connection. Wait for confirmation that the connection has been successfully established. Once confirmed, you can start creating vector search pipelines. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.